Once you've assigned a video, you'll want to check your students' progress. Let's find out how. First, decide if you want to look at the progress of your class as a whole or of an individual student. To check a class's progress, first go to My Classes. Select a class, and then find the assignment you want to look at. Once you click on it, you'll see a summary of each student's progress and grades in that class. This includes how much of the video students watched, their grade, the last time they watched the video, and if the video has been turned in or not. To track an individual student's progress, on the same page, find the student name you're looking for. Click on their name, and you'll see a full report of their progress. This includes their overall grade on that assignment, the number of answers they got correct, and what percentage of the video they watched. You also see how much time they spent watching the video, when they turned the assignment in, and how many times they watched each section of the video. Now you know how to check your students' progress on a video assignment. Next up, you'll learn all about Edpuzzle's gradebook feature. Check out our YouTube channel to learn more insider tips about Edpuzzle.